What's up, squad? We outside. And it's chilly, and it's chilly, damn. Buckle our helmet, kiss the bus. Okay, let's start over again. We outside, and we're in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And it's a little chilly. I cannot believe I'm saying that. I got my hoodie on, and I look freaking cool. Where's my boys at? Look at this squad. We're gonna hold off. We're gonna feel. Whoa, that thing's sick. We're gonna feel out the vibes before we bust that front wheel up, and we gotta run out some time. Isn't it crazy? You can just go to any city and just find a PEV group. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. No, I'm sorry. Chairman? Every city's got a chairman. Every PV scene has a chairman. Dude, we're charging already? Dude, this town even has a Kadim. Dude, we're charging already. We went 2 blocks and now we're charging.
How about 50 bucks? We'll respect that. Appreciate it. Makes it seem so much faster.
Is that just an audio clip or is it going with the...
It's going with it.
It goes with the actual speed? It's an app? Dude, I need that. I've always wanted that.
Badass.
You won.
I don't know where to go from here.
You're in first place.
To the college! We'll charge up and we'll do a big loop.
Dude, that fake exhaust is sick. We got some Barbie squads. We got some Barbie boys. It's not even October yet. That was a thud.
Is it a stick? Yeah, it's okay.
Good call on the pads.
Fucking stick. It's okay. That works, bro.
There is a stick there. Dang. Okay, we caught a crash. That's worth vlogging. That's worth a vlog. A freaking crash. I knew it. One wheelers crash more than stunt boys. I can't believe that. That guy fell hard. Look, I'm a one wheel. Look at guys, I'm a one wheel.
What's up? It's Surronster, and you're watching Dylan's channel. Dude, that's so ridiculous.
I put a Talaria fender on the front because it looks like a penis shadow.
Dude, I sent this video to my friend last night. I was riding through Garden of the Gods, and it looked like the dick. They were all roasting me. And I was like, fuck, it does look like a huge dick. Sprinkling non-existent grass. Yeah, it is kind of funny I was doing that. We good over here?
I've never been on one of these before. Brr, man. That guy said we.
Hey, what if they all start from that first position over there? The winner gets $20. Alright, Surron race, let's go.
Yo,
All you guys are gonna start right here.
This
Whoever
is-
wants to do a Surron race, $20 wins. $20. Alright, everybody's gotta line up right here on this line right here. Yeah. Alright, so winner gets $20. First one to cross this finish line. Ready? I'll be the starter. It'll be on your mark, get set, go. Okay, ready? On your mark, get set, go!
First place, of course. Oh, we're dead. $20, mine. Not even close. Not even close.
$20. That was badass. Should have put money on it.
Thank you, bro.
That was fun.
Dude, I almost died over there. You hear me skid?
Oh, you got a big bag. Oh, shit. You got a good setup, huh?
Yeah, dude. No one said there was any rules.
No. Oh. You've been riding for a long time?
I mean, 3 years.
Yeah.
I had a dirt bike when I was little. But I just hang out with a lot of people that do stunts and shit, so I felt obligated to learn
Can you wheelie?
wheelies and shit. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to learn so bad.
Damn. Feels good. Feels good knowing I'm the fastest Surron guy in Colorado. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank Sarah at Shy Battery, Josh at Green Line Engineering, and of course, Surron Dave at WeCoda and emotoworks.com for contributing to this absolute domination. Good vlog. Good day, good night, good trip. Alright, one good wheelie. One good ass wheelie. There you go. I'm gonna get absolutely hammered later tonight just because I'm on vacation and my bus is close. Dang, that girl did the total head backwards thing, like the meme. You know the meme? Complete head turned 180 while holding her boyfriend's hand. Oh, the news is here. I'm putting you on the news. I'm putting you on the news. I want to be on the freaking news for being the inventor of loophole culture, which some people... Hey, I went on X, formerly known as Twitter, and I searched loophole culture. That girl's leg tattoos had me hypnotized for a second. I searched loophole culture, and people were using this term not in an e-bike way, which is fine because it isn't just for e-bikes, you know? But I don't think these people know me. Did you get on the news? No?
They need to interview anybody, just to be on my eye. That's why I come on the
These people don't know me. And they're using my phrase that I invented.
You would have won that race if you didn't have a pro rider over here.
That guy shouldn't be driving.
That motherfucker was crumbling. Yo, that dude passed out.
Okay, 2 crashes. Skateboard and a one-wheel. These might be more eventful than I thought. Oh, we might be done. I'll see you guys.
Yeah, it was good meeting you.
There it is. There's my big, beautiful bus. Thank you guys for watching. And a huge shout out to Colorado Caddy for telling me about this little freaking group of one-wheelers that love to crash. It was really eventful. Got 2 really good crashes, and I made 20 bucks. And my self-esteem is through the roof right now. And I can't, now I gotta load my bike with wet tires because these freaking sprinklers want to sprinkle. Yeah, that freaking race, man. That felt good. And then the dude right away is like, dude, are you like a professional or something? Sick. Support your local loophole. Huge shout out to all my freaking patrons. You guys are amazing. Oh, there's my 20. Loose 20. You guys are amazing. And my channel members. Ah, I'm getting wet. Ah! I'm literally getting squirted in the face. You guys are incredible. Let's make sure that the bikes are still in here. I see shadows. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got the precious cargo still in here. Get after it. Shop at emotoworks.com and use code loophole to save some money every time you make a purchase, and also gets you entered to win a back 8,000. Chase your dreams. Good enough isn't. Peace.